Hello students, my name is Vikas Agarwal and we are here to discuss KVPY SX paper of 2019. We are discussing physics subject part 1 and this is question number 31 of the paper, which is question number 11th of physics section. So let's see what the question says. So a photon falls through a height of 1 kilometer through Earth's gravitational field. So we are considering the photon as a particle here. So let me draw it like this. So it has fallen through a height of 1 kilometer, which is like 1000 meter, and because of this the gravitational potential energy is lost, and we are assuming that that has appeared in the form of energy of the photon. So the energy of the photon has increased, so we write energy of the photon as h into nu. Okay, so dE, the change in energy, will be written as h into d nu. Now we can also write as dE by E is equals to d nu by nu. So this is what we have to find. We have to find the change in the fractional change in its frequency. This is what we have to find. Okay, now dE will be equal to the mass of photon into g into the change in height. Let me write it as delta or d capital H. We are using capital H for height. Small h is already being used for Planck's constant, so I'm not using small h for height. I'm using capital H divided by energy of the photon, that is small h into nu. So this will be equal to the fractional change in the frequency. Now what is important to here to understand is that the mass is given to be h nu by c square. So instead of this mass, I can write h nu by c square. G remains as it is, dh divided by h nu is equals to d nu by nu. So this gets cancelled. So we are left with g dh by c square. Now this is what we are trying to calculate. Let's see how much this will be. So g into dh by c square. G can be treated as 10, dh can be treated as 1000, and c square will be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 and square of that. So this will approximately be equal to 10 by 9 into 10. In fact, this will be exactly equal to 10 by 9 into 10 raised to power minus 13, which can be approximated as 10 raised to power minus 13. Out of the given option, this one is the closest one, so option C is correct. So that will be your answer to this question. Straightforward question, I would say, nothing fancy. Most of the students who took this paper should be able to, they would have been able to do this question correctly. I hope you understood the solution. I hope you liked the solution. Thank you for watching it and stay tuned for the next question. Bye, students.